Hi, I'm Mrs. Ana Teresa Larena, and I am honored to be a candidate for Mrs. Face of Tourism Philippines 2024. As I stand here today, I carry with me a cause that's close to my heart: solo parenting. Solo parenting is a journey filled with unique challenges and immense strength. It's about being both the guiding light and the steady hand for our children, nurturing them to grow into resilient, compassionate individuals. But it's not just about the individual parent. Solo parenting is a shared experience, one that can be supported and uplifted by our communities. Together, we can create a network of understanding and encouragement, ensuring that no solo parent feels alone on this journey. My advocacy is to raise awareness, provide resources, and foster a supportive environment for solo parents across the Philippines. As a solo parent, I've faced my share of challenges, but each obstacle only strengthened my resolve. I'm proud to say that 4 of my children have graduated from college, a testament to the love, perseverance, and dedication we've shared as a family. But my journey didn't stop there. I've also pursued my passions, becoming a freelance model, an adult ballet dancer, a pole dancer, and an aerialist. These accomplishments are not just personal victories. They are proof that as a solo parent, we can inspire our children by continuing to grow, achieve, and live our dreams. My journey as a solo parent has led me to incredible experiences. Competing in an international baking contest at the Great British Festival, serving as an ambassador of Coca-Cola University, and shining as a semi-finalist in Glamour Mom on IBC 13. As I pursue the title of Mrs. Face of Tourism, I carry this advocacy with pride. Again, I'm Ana Teresa Larena, vying for Mrs. Face of Tourism Philippines 2024, encouraging you to support my advocacy for solo parents. Let us all support solo parents.